ABC Lock and Key is a family-owned and operated locksmith service proudly serving Davidson and Williamson counties. We provide innovative security solutions including 24/7 emergency lockout services, deadbolt and doorknob installation, automotive transponder keys, rekeying of residential and commercial locks, transponder keys and keyless entry remotes, and more. Our well-trained locksmiths have the tools and expertise to handle even the toughest lock-related tasks, and they strive to provide each of our customers with the fast, reliable, and affordable services they deserve. Call ABC Lock and Key today at 615-251-3051 or find us online at 456lock.com for more information.